Today I'm going to be showing you how to make rosemary pan-fried potatoes. So let's get straight into it. So I'm going to start off by adding oil over medium heat. So I've washed and peeled my potatoes into medium size. So I'm going to add my potatoes in my pan. Cut the potatoes with the cooking oil and bring the flames to medium-low. Let the potatoes cook as I flip and toss the potatoes so that they can cook on all sides. This is how my rosemary is looking, and it's very fresh, and I love the aroma of rosemary. So if you don't have the fresh rosemary, you can use dried rosemary.